All right, y'all, we got some new exciting updates for the Christmas lights this year, some things that were requested that we got for you, plus some new things I think you'll like. The first thing was, as you guys know, the strategy we do, you get your own what's called empty socket light line here, and you can put your own bulbs in, and then you put your own male and female plugs on the end, and so you can get custom cut lengths. So that's what this big spool is right here. This was a 1,000-foot spool of empty socket light line, 12-inch spacing for C9s. This is what professionals use, and this was the bulb we were using right here. This is an LED, but it's a filament bulb, and it's clear. It's the brightest bulb that you're gonna get anywhere. To me, it has an old school look. This is a warm white. So that was the strategy that we went with. And one of the things that a lot of people said was, Allyn, 1,000 feet is too much for my house. That's too big, which I've got some left over here. I was able to do all of my hips, all of my gutters, all of my windows, everything, right? It was too much. So what we realized was that around 300 to 500 feet is what most people use. So this year what they need. So this year we have 300-foot spools rather than the 1,000-foot spools. So that's the first thing. First change, 300-foot spools available. Now, the other thing was, a lot of you said, Allyn, I don't care how simple you make it or how easy it sounds. I'm not gonna do my own male and female plugs. I just don't feel comfortable doing that. I don't wanna cut the stuff. Give me something better. So what we have now are pre-cut lengths. Here, let's see. Well, I don't really have one here, but they're basically 25-foot pre-cut lengths of this right here with the male and female already on at the factory. So now it's 25-foot lengths, and now you can choose your own bulbs to put in, but you don't have to deal with male and female plugs or any of that. That was another thing people asked for. So pre-cut, 25-foot lengths, you still get to have all the fun of putting the bulbs in, and that's the next thing. Let's talk about new bulbs. So those were the filament bulbs we used. Here, let's turn the lights off and just show how bright these are first. Now these are 4-inch spacing right here that I'm using just for this display, but these are the filament bulbs. You can see how bright these are. This is warm white. To me, this is the old school incandescent look. These are beautiful. Now this year what we've done is we've brought in, should be more organized here. We've now brought them in green and red. So if you want that same beautiful bright filament LED bulb, the brightest you can get, now we have the green and the red, so you can do green, red, white if you want. Also, there's a pattern that looks really nice of red and white together. I'll show you that, red, white, red, white. Again, this is 4-inch spacing that I'm using here just for this display. What we recommend is the 12-inch spacing for roof lines. I've got a full guide that shows you everything, how to do this step by step. But again, now we've got the green and the red. Okay, the other thing is, here's another thing we have for you. If you want more of a traditional look, now we have the faceted bulb. So this is faceted. So these are the LED super bright clear, right? And then here are faceted. This is what you're gonna get at Home Depot, except these are that same super, and I say get at Home Depot, not these bulbs. This look, this faceted look, this is what you're used to seeing at Home Depot. But these are the super bright LED. And now look at this, we have 3 different colors here. Now I wanna make sure I get this right. 3 different colors of white. So this one right here, this is cool white, right here in the faceted. This one in the middle, this is warm white. And this one on the far end here, this is pure white. So you can see there's a little bit of a difference there. So you have some choice. Now, which one would I go with? I would just go with the pure white. It's kind of right in between the cool white and the warm. The warm's a little yellowish, but it does look nice though. If you want to compare it to the warm white of these, whoa, oh boy, we're all over the place. To the warm white here, you can see there's warm white versus warm white. Now these clear ones, these are my favorites still, but you can see the warm white. Anyway, different choices. And then we also have, since we went to faceted, we decided to go ahead and carry all of them. So now here is faceted. If you want the faceted in a red, look at that, that is stunning. A red and a green. And then this here, this is the pure white. So there's red, green, and pure white. So if you do like the faceted look in a Christmas light, I mean, those are pretty sharp looking right there. And again, I'll show you a variation of this that is red, white, and then there's a white, white, red. There's some really nice variations you can do, but just wanted to show you, we listened to you guys. We got the 25-foot lengths, no male, female plug additions. 300-foot links if you want to do something fully custom, but you don't need 1,000. And then new different bulbs here, new bulb options. Check them out. Thanks for supporting Yard Mastery. Christmas lights has been something really fun for us, and it's a growing trend. So let's keep it going. I'll see you on the roof.